Smart Demo is an IRAD project where each year, annually, we will design, build, and static test a rocket motor. The configuration of that rocket motor is aligned with specific industry needs and business opportunities, and allows for a test medium where new technologies can be demonstrated and matured so that they're ready for onboarding to new and existing programs. Smart Demo leverages the decades of experience that we have in solid rocket motors here at Propulsion Systems. One of the challenges that it helps to overcome is the advancement of technology.
Smart Demo is revolutionary in how it is inserting technology into rocket motors for two reasons. One, the speed with which we're doing it, and two, the ability to demonstrate low maturity technology in relevant scale and relevant environment.
Smart Demo is leveraging and maturing some of the most advanced solid rocket motor technologies available.